Today, we're making breakfast hash bowls. If you like a hearty breakfast with hash browns, bacon, sausage, eggs, potatoes, and cheese, then this one's for you. These bowls are packed, so let's get cooking. Start by dicing a red bell pepper, then chop up a green onion, then dice about 8 russet potatoes into about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch cubes. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Give it all a good mix. We'll fry up some bacon, then we'll toss on the red bell pepper along with some potatoes. We'll chop up our bacon into smaller pieces. Give the potatoes a mix. Set this aside and add the remainder of the potatoes. We're really just part cooking these for now. Put a lid on and allow the potatoes to cook. You want there to still be some firmness, but not a raw crunch. Add the bacon back. Time to cook our sausage. Break it up and fully cook it. Then add it to our bowl. Fry up about 4 scrambled eggs. Add to the bowl. Fry up some of our hash and sprinkle some green onions and cheddar cheese. Plate this directly into our storage. Repeat and yum. These are heavy servings, but boy are they good for breakfast hash browns. These are great for weekends or days where you just really want a hearty breakfast. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.